Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Syncee B2B Dropshipping Marketplace. My experience review. Syncee B2B Dropshipping Marketplace offers a platform connecting online retailers with dropshipping suppliers, primarily focusing on businesses looking to expand their product offerings without managing inventory. It features a searchable directory of suppliers, automated product uploads, and order synchronization. Their website provides details on various pricing plans, tailored to different business sizes. Syncee promotes ease of use, a vast product catalog, and competitive pricing with no hidden fees. They emphasize the automation features designed to save time and streamline the dropshipping process. You can check their website for current availability and specific supplier regions. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Syncee B2B Dropshipping Marketplace. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I created an account, connected my online store, I used Shopify for this test, and started browsing the supplier directory. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to filter suppliers by product category, location, and other criteria. I quickly found a few suppliers offering products relevant to my niche. Uploading products to my store was a breeze thanks to the automated system. I simply selected the products I wanted and Syncee handled the rest, importing product descriptions, images, and pricing. I tested the order synchronization process by placing a few test orders. Syncee seamlessly relayed the order information to the supplier, and I received updates on the order status within my Syncee dashboard. The whole process felt remarkably smooth. The standout feature for me was definitely the product filtering and categorization. It made finding the right suppliers and products incredibly efficient. Performance-wise, Syncee was reliable and reasonably fast. I did have a quick question about shipping options, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful answer. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with the more advanced features, like custom pricing rules and automated updates. It took me a little while to get used to those settings. Also, while the web platform works well, a mobile app for quick order management would be a valuable addition. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Syncee B2B Dropshipping Marketplace. It's a powerful tool for businesses looking to leverage the dropshipping model, and its ease of use makes it accessible even to those new to the concept. That's my overview of Syncee B2B Dropshipping Marketplace, my experience review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.